Robot vacuums aren't just about cleaning, they also live with you, and noise becomes part of that experience. During the day, motor sound can feel acceptable because other household noise hides it. But at night, the same vacuum suddenly sounds much louder, especially on hard floors or near walls where echoes amplify vibration. High suction modes often add a deeper mechanical hum, while older units develop extra rattling from worn brushes and wheels. Some people stop running them at night entirely, which defeats one of the biggest promises of automation. The real test isn't how loud it sounds in a lab, it's whether you can ignore it while living your normal routine. Because after a few weeks, noise isn't just sound. It becomes friction. And friction is what makes people stop using their robot vacuums consistently. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Buy smart and save your money.